What's up everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. A new haircut and new Bitcoin price. We are at around $97,000 per Bitcoin. I'm gonna give you my price prediction for the next coming days and weeks, guys, and what are the two scenarios right now that could be happening. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys, and check out all links in the video description. For example, Maxi Global, this crypto exchange that I'm trading currently at. I'm longing, as you know, guys, and here on Maxi Global right now for the next 4 days, you have the chance to win extra prizes if you fulfill certain trading volumes. You can get those prizes if you reach, for example, 70 millions of trading volume totally. You can get a drone or an Apple iPhone and so on. So take advantage of that, guys, especially if you're trading anyway with leverage, because with leverage, of course, you can achieve those big numbers here. You have 4 times left to achieve that, guys, and then of course you can get those prizes through Maxi Global directly. So sign up to the event right here, and of course you must be signed up with my link to Maxi Global. You can also create a new account if you have already one. The Maxi Global exchange link is right here in the video description. If you go here to the event registration, then of course you can also sign up right there. Then also I'm gonna give you an update, guys, on Tether King, because Tether King is currently this very hyped new crypto game where you can earn USDTs, and I'm gonna give you an update on my kingdom and also what I'm going to do today. So later on I'm gonna give a big update on Tether King, guys, because currently I'm cashing out a lot and I want again to reinvest something into the game to earn even more USDTs, because you know my goal is to first of all get here into the best kings leaderboard, and also I want to achieve $200 per week in income that I'm gonna put, of course, a bit into the game to earn more, and also most of it into Bitcoin, because this is a Tether game, so a USDT game where you can play and earn USDTs, and at the same time, of course, you can put it, for example, into the game or cashing out, or just put it into Bitcoin like I am doing. Of course, everything is no financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own opinions, my own market analysis, and what I am personally doing here in the crypto space. So make always sure to do your own research as well. Be subscribed here and also join my X account, Telegram, Discord, and so on. We have a great crypto community, guys. So sign up everywhere, be subscribed everywhere, because sometimes I don't have time to do a video. Then of course I'm gonna post it over there as well. And also, if you're interested in Bitcoin solo mining or crypto mining in general, or these Bitcoin lottery miners, you can get a Bitcoin node or mining equipment directly from me, as well as my indicators and so on. So you can contact me right here. And otherwise, if you prefer to buy those stuff in the shops and of course pay the full price, then you can also get to the best mining stores down here. Or try out also Kudo Miner. This is an altcoin mining where you can also directly mine Bitcoin with your notebook or PC. Of course, you can also try that out on Kudo Miner. You're not going to mine directly Bitcoin, but altcoins that are profitable to mine at the moment that will be directly converted into Bitcoin and put it into your Bitcoin wallet straight away, also with your computer, guys. So take advantage of Kudo Miner. The link is also here if you want to try that out. And now, guys, let's dive here straight into the daily time frame for Bitcoin, because as you can see, finally we broke above the 50 daily moving average, and right now we have seen an immediate pump right into the 100 daily moving average. This is currently acting as a strong resistance at $97,000. I'm pretty confident that we're gonna break it very soon and then attack, of course, the next moving average, which is all the way up here at the 200 daily moving average at $106,000. So in the daily time frame, what needs to happen right now is, of course, a daily close above 97, because that will bring us towards the next resistance here at around $106,000, the 200 daily moving average. This needs to happen right now on the daily time frame. We also have now higher lows and higher highs with the daily closes, so this uptrend will continue most likely at the moment. So we are in an uptrend here again. Also, if we have a look into my indicators on the daily time frame, you can see that money flow is nicely increasing here, so everything is fine, even though we could enter, of course, into overbought condition. Remember that we can stay up here for a very long time, or even come a bit down and then continue to go up here. So even if we are here in this overbought condition, that doesn't mean that the trend is over. We just maybe see little corrective phases before then we had higher. So the indicators are looking great. And if we go over into the weekly time frame, here you can see that currently we are touching also here the median line of the Keltner channels, a very important resistance levels. But if we have a look into my indicators, you can see that this move is just starting right now. So this move is still ongoing we have everywhere buy signals flashing by now. That means for the next coming weeks, maybe until late February, we're gonna see here most likely these buy signals playing out here. And of course, we're gonna see big moves to the upside for Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin, of course, also the altcoins. Everyone is currently watching at the 50 weekly moving average and the 20 weekly moving average at $102,000. This is where most people are expecting here a relief rally to then maybe end up here, get rejected, and then crash down to 50 or 60K, so towards the 200 weekly moving average. And yes, this is a scenario. I told you also yesterday, guys, that based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, like we have seen in the past, usually a relief rally is ending up at the 50 level in the Fibonacci retracement levels, and this is matching now the 50 weekly moving average at around $101,000 to $102,000. This is what we're gonna have to see what happens then with the weekly closes. That means that even if we rally now above the 50 weekly moving average, we have to see where the closes are, because if the closes are above the 50 weekly moving average and we are able to stay above a bit and then maybe see a continuation to the upside, then I think new all-time highs for Bitcoin are possible and the bull run resumes, at least for the next coming weeks and months. I'm not bullish for the whole year of 2026, but at least for the next coming weeks and months. And in that case, I would target here the $130,000 level, because here we got this meltdown. This support trend line broke down here, and then we never came up to test it. So it is possible that at some point we come up to test it, and this is currently at $130,000. And this is also matching the liquidation heat map here. The liquidations, most money can be taken all the way up here at around $132,000, maybe even a bit higher, $136,000. But this is where we have currently the most money lying, because there are too many shorts right now. The liquidation heat map is available over on Trading Different. If you want to get access, the link is also right here in the video description. Next to the Trading View link, you find the liquidation heat maps. And here, of course, you can see for Bitcoin that we have the most money here lying around at around 132K if the price would be going up there, because there are so many shorts right now open. The sentiment is so bearish that no one expects that Bitcoin could go now to new all-time highs. But we have to see what happens here at the 50 weekly moving average. I think the chance is here to create new all-time highs, but it doesn't mean that we're gonna see the whole year of 2026 with a bull run. It is possible that we're just gonna see until February or March here a nice run up and then crash down, something like that. Or that we just get a relief rally up here to the 50 weekly moving average, stay a bit here and then crash down. Something like that I'm still expecting. So I don't think that we're gonna go through the whole year of 2026 just straight up. I'm not expecting that. I just think that we gotta get a relief rally into a lower high or even into a new all-time high, and afterwards see then this crash. This is my expectations because of the weekly time frame looking bullish. But if we go over into the monthly time frame, here it looks different, because the indicators here, so first of all, we're trading below the top side of the Keltner channels, which is also currently at around $124,000, $122,000. But the indicators, as you can see, of course, they were toppy. Now we are coming up again, similar to what we have seen here in 2022. Where we have a bounce at the median line of the Keltner channels. Like now, we run into the 9 monthly moving average. You can also see that the indicators started slowly to become a bit more bullish, but everything was still on the process, basically, to cool off in extreme conditions down here. This is where, of course, is the best time to buy Bitcoin whenever we are in this region down here, so in extreme oversold condition, which is of course signaling the market lows. Also here, for example, in 2019, once we got buy signals here, then we have seen afterwards a big rally. Of course, also here we had a big pump and dump, and then we rallied higher. But in general, down here, this was of course the best buy opportunity for Bitcoin, and that's why I'm always watching at those indicators on the monthly time frame. So what can happen now again is, of course, that we're just going to see a rally into the 9 monthly moving average here, $103,000 to $104,000. If the monthly closes remains below, then I think the low is not in, and that after a potential relief rally in the next coming 1 or 2 months here until February or March, that we afterwards crash down towards $50,000 to $60,000, something down here. We will see. But at the moment, I remain bullish. I expect prices to go for Bitcoin to go above 100K, and with Bitcoin, of course, also most of the altcoins also performing very well. We have seen Solana pushing like crazy to the upside, Ethereum as well. Also here, guys, I told you if we break $5,000, we could go to 5 digits here for Ethereum as well. And also some privacy coins we have seen performing very well yesterday, like Dash, for example, also in I think like a day or so. Yeah, no, a few days here, it pumped 150%. So The altcoins are waking up as soon as Bitcoin is waking up. That's why I remain very, very bullish here for the crypto space for the next coming days and weeks. And of course, I'm gonna keep you informed once this is over. Trade this event over on Maxi Global, guys. Link in the video description. If you want to get access to new cryptos, then of course you're gonna find the link also here in the video description, such as Liquid Chain, Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge, and so on. And Tether King. Also, guys, we're gonna give you today a big update on my progress on Tether King, because last time I bought an archer yard for $100. No, this one here, the crossbow range, I bought for $100. But actually, I saw that it was better to use my money to spend less money and have more gems and gold per hour if I just updated here my Warden's Hall, because I have a very, very expensive Warden's Hall as well. This one cost me $250, and with that one, of course, I'm generating a lot of cash every day, around $13 per day now I'm earning. And instead of buying another one like that one, the crossbow range, I'm gonna most likely upgrade here the Warden's Hall, because this cost me 62,500 gold, which is $62, but gives me more or less the same amount that if I would put $100 into this one over here. So having the big buildings here is of course very, very good. If you want to get on board, if you want to play the game, then make sure to watch the videos that are popping up at the end of this video, and also watch the update video that I'm gonna upload later on, guys, because there I'm gonna give you a bigger update on my strategy here, and also how I am achieving very soon $200 per week with this game. Currently I'm at around $100, around 98, something like that. I need 1,200 gems per hour, and if you want to be part of this trip, of course, feel free also to join the game. Link in the video description, and also watch my progress here, because my goal is to get into the leaderboard, and of course also to earn $200 per week with this game. Every 24 hours you can also attack other kingdoms to earn even more gold that you can use then to spend here, of course, or you just convert your gems into gold, because like that also you can, instead of cashing out, just become bigger and bigger and earning more and more per hour. But it's always up to you. My strategy I always share with you guys, but I'm always cashing out a bit and a little bit put into the game, doing a bit both of it. So check it out, guys. Link in the video description. I salute you for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Be subscribed. I think the next coming weeks are very, very important here in the crypto space. And of course, a lot of stuff is going on. Also the crypto stocks like MicroStrategy and so on. I told you guys I bought at around $170, and my target here is also to reach at least $250 to $280, something like that. And then we're gonna see also what Bitcoin is doing, because MicroStrategy is of course also very much correlated to Bitcoin. So if this stock, like it's right now extremely oversold on the weekly time frame, like we basically never have been before, of course, we could push very, very crazy here to the upside. We also touched here the 200 weekly moving average, like we have seen here, for example. And now we just wait here for the next big leg up here, hopefully, that will take us to higher levels in the next coming days and weeks. Here, I'm not expecting necessarily new all-time highs, but if Bitcoin would create new all-time highs, also for strategy, it is possible that we could see new all-time highs as well. So we will see, guys. But make sure to be subscribed here. I keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.